Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I did this super easy Twaid out style. The only products that are going to be in my hair are this Cantu coconut curling cream, and I sealed with the CurlsNLove super growth argan oil. And I'm starting on stretched hair, as you'll see in the next clip. I stretched my hair with some French braids, and I'm just going to go ahead and undo the braid so you can see how it stretched my hair out, and then I'll proceed to do the twaids after I undo the braid. A Twaid out is exactly what it sounds like. It's a twist out and a braid out all in one. And the way that I'm doing mine is I go ahead and just start braiding at the root, and I braid down for a few inches, and then I begin doing a regular 2-strand twist. And you'll notice I'm not adding any products because, like I said before, the products that I used that I showed you guys, those products are already in my hair. When I co-washed my hair, I applied those products, and then I did those French braids to stretch my hair. So I wanted to do this style on dry stretched hair so that it can be more elongated. And I'm just gonna continue the process. I'm gonna go ahead and braid and then twist the rest of the length of my hair, and I'm gonna keep doing that until all my hair is done. As you can see, I finished my hair, but the ends of my hair are kind of dry. So what I'm going to do to define it is to go in with this Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to put that gel on the ends of each twist, and then I'm going to go over each of those twists with some of the CurlsNLove Super Growth Argan Oil. You'll see me do that next, and I'm doing that to seal in the moisture. And after that, I'm going to just go over each one and kind of retwist it to seal the end. This will give my ends a nice little definition and also moisturize them a little bit extra, because you know we want to give our ends some extra TLC. As you can see, my ends are now more moisturized and they're nice and sealed, and that will help them to be defined in the morning. So I'm just going to add some argan oil to my scalp, and I'm done. These are my twaids. This is how they look, and I made sure to do them chunky because I wanted my hair to be like a big style. So I went ahead and slept in my satin bonnet, and this is the next morning. I'm going to show you guys how I take down the twaids. It's really easy. I'm going to put some more of this argan oil on my hands so that will minimize the frizz. And I just pretty much pull the twist apart and then carefully unravel the braid at the top. And I try not to manipulate it too much because this will help keep the definition in place, but it's super soft and super defined. So I'm going to just continue this until I'm all done. Okay guys, this completes the style. As you can see, I have a big fluffy Twaid out. I have a lot of definition and my hair is nice and stretched and big, and that's what I was going for. So thank you so much for watching. All information will be in the description box.